Alright, so it looks like we have a breakup makeover here. She's at the salon. Now, most of the time when people do break up, we end up seeing them going much shorter when it comes to their hair. And the stylist gives her this chic little bob style. Beautiful blunt ends, very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature some more mind-blowing long to short hair changes. Here we have someone with waist-length hair. She cuts off the ponytails. And it looks like she's getting another bob style. Ooh, absolutely perfection. Beautiful shoulder length bob. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, looks like we have someone adding in some bangs and layers to their hair. One more of like that Bordeaux bang trend that is very popular right now. So here we have someone else doing a DIY chop. So obviously the stylist is going to clean this up and probably do more of like a shoulder length bob style like we previously saw. And then we move on to the next one. So she has like the beige blonde hair color trend. And it looks like the stylist is just kind of doing a cut refresh here. Beautiful bob, wow. gorgeous shape and texture. I love the bangs. She can wear them to the side or across her face. Very nice. And then here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. Ooh, beautiful pixie bob makeover. Now this is a great length if you want to go short but keep some length. Very cute style. Oh, I really like the texture with the styling. Wow. Absolutely incredible. And then last but not least, we have this gorgeous pixie. Very nice. So much volume within this particular pixie cut. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.